What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys a few different hobbies you can start in 2020. Now, what's interesting about these hobbies is these are hobbies that you can monetize and use them to make yourself some money. So that means not only will they be fun, not only will they be enjoyable, not only will they be a source of entertainment, but you'll also make money. What better than doing your favorite thing, doing stuff you love, doing stuff you enjoy, while also making some money? So in a second, we'll dive right into that. But first, I want to say, make sure that you guys are giving me some thumbs up on these videos. We've not had enough thumbs up recently, so it would be nice to get a few more. So you guys show that you appreciate my videos, appreciate my efforts, and of course are enjoying the videos. Add to that, make sure you guys are commenting if you're new around here, comment if you've been around here. I enjoy interacting with you guys in the comment section. So make sure you drop a comment or give me some feedback. Just say something, say anything, whatever it may be. I'll comment, I'll reply, as always, the usual. Provide you guys with loads of different information which will help you along your journey in life. And lastly, the most important part, share these videos with your friends. To ensure we get them out to more people, we help more people, we build a bigger network, we give out more information, everybody eats, everybody enjoys, everybody lives a great life. Now, let's jump into those hobbies that you guys can start off this year in 2020. So the first money hobby, vlogging. I'm sure there are many of you guys out there who are, never been in front of a camera, who are scared to be in front of a camera. But once you start getting in front of a camera, vlogging, showing your life, showing what you do, you guys will love it. Yes, before you say it, there are many vloggers out in this world, but there can never be too many. How many different brands of water are there? Many. How many different makes of watches are there? Many. There can never be too many. So when it comes to vlogging, just use your phone to start off with. Film yourself doing whatever you do. I know you guys have very interesting lives because you're out and about, you're having fun, you're doing different things in your day-to-day lives. So just start vlogging it. People will love to see what you do on a day-to-day basis. People will love in general just to see a little bit about your life. So you can start vlogging, maybe for fun, maybe in your spare time, however you want to do it. But eventually, I'm telling you guys, it's a hobby that you guys can enjoy and eventually maybe make a little bit of money off it. The next money hobby, day trading. Day trading is a nice way of making a little bit of money. Now, it depends what you want to day trade because it can come to foreign exchange, it can come to stocks, it can come to many different things. When it comes to day trading, it's the act of buying and selling a stock or trading a currency within the same day period. As you guys know, in the past, I've done a lot of day trading when it comes to foreign exchange. That was a good way to make money and a fun way to make money. Now you guys also know I used to day trade stocks. I don't do it as much anymore, but I'll still dive in, stocks every now and then, get in and out in a day, when I can get some percentage gains, stuff like that. Times I can just get myself a little percentage gain, here or there. If I'm lucky, it might be a 15% return in a single day, but intraday trading is fun. Intraday trading is nice. And of course, it's even better when you're making some money. Now, that's not to say that you're gonna, always make money. You're never gonna lose money. There will be times where you lose money, but you've got to learn to manage that. For those of you who are new to the game, start off by paper trading. For those of you who have never traded before, start off by doing research, watching other people trade. I have some videos where I make some trades on this channel. There aren't any specific day trades there, but definitely trades when I make. And trust me, if you look at those, you can still analyze those and see how you could do the same. You can get in a day, get in out later in the day, that kind of thing. But day trading is a great thing to do, a great hobby to do. And of course, the most important part, you enjoy it. The next hobby, video editing. This is a great hobby to do. I love video editing. Once I started editing YouTube videos a little bit more and more and editing other videos in my spare time, I realized that I really do like editing. Editing can be eventful. Editing, when you do it right, can really be enjoyable. Obviously, many of you guys will not have edited before. For those of you who have, you know what I'm talking about. Just opening up your laptop, going on to something like iMovie, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, whatever it may be. Video editing is a really nice thing to do. Now, let's talk about one of my favorites. E-commerce. It's the act of selling something online, having a website, having something where you can put out, people can buy it any time of the day, any period of the day, any period of the year. Now, the best part about e-commerce in this case is you're making online money. So what does that mean? Well, you don't have to trade time for money. You don't have to, constantly be working, sitting down, putting in hours to get your money. I definitely recommend for those of you who have never done e-commerce before to try it out this year. 2020, e-commerce is not stopping. E-commerce is booming. In fact, due to pandemic, e-commerce sales have even gone up. I know personally, I've made more sales during this period of time. I'm sure many of the other people who are doing e-commerce have also made sales. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about might be a bit of a, touchy subject for some, but I'm briefly going to talk about being an influencer. This could be a hobby for many of you guys because you guys want to be, famous, or you want to be influencers. You want to be some kind of figure, who's shown off to the world. This, again, is a hobby for many, but again, it's a monetary hobby. For example, those of you who have Instagram accounts, if you have 20, maybe 25K followers, even less sometimes, you can easily be an influencer. All you need to do is, take those weird, strange pictures at different locations and then show off, what you're wearing, what you're doing, who you're with, what location you're in. And again, you're gonna get your likes, you're gonna get monetized, you can monetize it in different ways. Either if it's by Instagram eventually, or it's by your own, affiliate marketing, putting links in your bio, whatever you may wanna do. This, again, like I said, is a bit of a weird one because, there are many influencers out there right now and, a lot of them are looked down upon. And I can see why, because, some influencers are very vain, some are very strange. But again, you can make a hobby out of it. Just enjoy yourself, taking pictures in different locations, enjoying your life, showing people what you're doing, not being afraid to be in front of the camera, posing, that kind of stuff. If you want to start a new hobby in 2020 and you're not afraid of being in front of the camera and you've got a little bit of style and a bit of influence, try out becoming an influencer. The next one I want to mention, coding. Now, of course, I picked on all the fun stuff, the nice stuff, the enjoyable stuff. Now, coding is something that there are many of you guys out there who could pick this up as a hobby, especially, during this period of time, during the pandemic, and I'm sure you guys could enjoy it. Just coding, learning to code, HTML, CSS, Java. Now, I'm not saying you need to, pick those up and know how to do each and every one of them from start to finish, know exactly what to do, but I'm just saying, pick it up as a hobby, and maybe, eventually, you can monetize it. Now here, it may be a bit more difficult, it may take a little bit more time of learning, but I guarantee you, focus 3 to 6 months on coding each and every day, even if it's just 1 hour, maybe a bit more, you guys will know how to code. You guys will be good coders. And again, you won't be some professional coders, you won't be able to do everything in the world, but you would have picked up some amazing knowledge. You would have gained more knowledge and insights into how to code, and also created the possibility of another stream of income for yourself. Many people out there need coders, especially for their websites, for e-commerce websites. Again, see what coding you can do, see what free courses you can do, see what free coding you can take up, and just learn how to code. Another hobby you can take up in 2020, content creation. This can come in the form of videos, graphic design, pictures, photos, editing. It can come in so many different forms. But there are many people out there, just like myself, who have their own company, who have their own business, who have their own brand. If it's a personal brand, if it's their own brand, whatever it may be. They need people who create content. They need people who create ads, who create videos, who create different things that they can show off on their social media accounts, like their Instagrams, like their Twitters, like their Facebooks. All of us who have those kind of brands know exactly what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't have any brand, you're probably wondering, why do I need content creation? Why do I need to pay for someone? Trust me, it's valuable. Creating something which is easy on the eye, which grabs people's attention, which helps people out, which shows them, this product is the one. Not only does that kind of thing bring the brand owner that money, but when it brings the brand owner that money, they will hire people to create more content, and the content creators obviously make money. So in this case, for those of you who are creative, have a good eye, like that kind of thing, content creation is definitely one hobby I'd advise you to take up. Now the final hobby I'd advise you to take up in 2020, fitness instructor. Those of you who are out there who like bodybuilding, who like going to the gym, who like working out, becoming a fitness instructor is not a bad hobby to take up. And again, what's great about it is you can make some money off it. Now, that's not to say that for those of you who have been lifting a couple of years, you can just go and be a fitness instructor. That's not how it works. Those of you who actually know what you're doing, who have been in the game, 5, 6 years, those of you who have got maybe some, certification or degrees when it comes to fitness, physical education, that kind of thing, you guys can easily become fitness instructors. Go to gyms, let people know about your services, show them what you've done, teach them what you know, and of course, make their lives better. People are always willing to spend money on their body, on their appearance, on looking good. Being a fitness instructor is definitely a great way to monetize that. In this case, you can enjoy your life, you can enjoy what you're doing, you can have fun, and of course, you can make people's life better. That's what I'm saying, become a fitness instructor, try that out, and make yourself some money doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed those different methods, those different hobbies that you can start up in 2020. Added to that, I hope you guys do really take those up and make yourself a little bit of money this year, even if it's just an extra 50, 70 bucks each and every day. It's a lot more than zero, and when you do it consistently, trust me when I say it adds up. Lastly, I just want to say, check out those links in the description. As always, we've got a load going on there. Smartwatches, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got cryptocurrencies, stocks, so many things going on there. Tomorrow is Financial Friday, so make sure you guys are back here for that one, as always. But I go into making, you've got hobbies to be starting. See you guys tomorrow for Financial Friday. Peace.